Welcome back to Excursions with Pat. Today we're visiting one of the Northern New Brunswick most iconic landmarks, Pokeshaw Rock. Standing high above the waters of Chaleur Bay, this massive rock has become a symbol of both history and nature. In the early 1800s, Irish settlers arrived in Pokeshaw area seeking a better life. They cleared the land, built homes, and established a close-knit community. Their faith and determination helped shape the region we know today. Looking up at the summit, you'll notice the large Celtic Cross. The cross stands as a tribute to the area's strong Irish heritage and serves as a reminder of the settlers who crossed the Atlantic to make Northern New Brunswick their home. If you're visiting in July, you're seeing Pokeshaw Rock at one of the busiest times of the year. Thousands of seabirds, especially the double-crested Cormorants, nest on top of the rock. During baby season, the chicks fill the colony with constant calls, while their parents fly back and forth bringing fish to them. This incredible nesting site has become one of the most important bird colonies in Atlantic Canada, making Pokeshaw Rock not only a historical landmark, but also an important wildlife sanctuary. Whether you come for the history, the breathtaking views, or the amazing wildlife, Pokeshaw Rock is truly one of the New Brunswick's hidden gems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure as we continue exploring the hidden history of New Brunswick. So join us today as we explore Pokeshaw Beach and Pokeshaw Rock. Don't forget to hit that like and hit that subscribe. Promise I won't get you on. Pokeshaw Park. Pioneers, mothers and fathers and sisters and brothers, Pokeshaw and Black Rock and Waterloo relatives. And right here, McGraw. That's me, McGrath. I'm a McGraw, but my relatives, a lot of them were McGraths. Immigrated here from Cork, Ireland. And here it is, from Ireland to New Brunswick. That's where my ancestors came from, Cork, Ireland. They came over, settled here in New Brunswick. So right there, folks, is Pokeshaw Rock, or Pokeshaw Island.
Or Pokeshaw.
Pokeshaw.
Whatever it is.
And when it's low tide, you can walk out in a couple hours. It'll be low tide. A whole bunch of blackbirds and seagulls live on top of that. And there's like Celtic
Get that.
Cross.
That's cute.
So we're heading down to the beach and you can smell it. You can smell the fishy beach. It's fish. It's fishy. This is Chaleur Bay out here.
Hey.
Chaleur Bay.
Hey. Falling rock.
This way, babe. Yeah, so if you're down here, watch out for fallen rocks. There's a ton of birds up there. And right on top there, there's a Celtic Cross. But right now, still a little tight. The tide is going out. Within the next hour, hour and a half, all the water will be gone, and you'll be able to walk across to the side of the rock cliff there. A lot of washed up logs. Definitely smells a little fishy down here. Eventually this is all eroding here. It's all gonna fall over. Shadows in the water. Behind me is Pokeshaw Rock or Pokeshaw Island. Shadows in the water. Oh my god. Oh boy, it's freezing too. Really nice down here. Some nice rocks to go to tumble. Put that in your rock tumbler. Rock. Come here, bud. Funny rock face. Looks like a smile. It's all wet up here. There you can see it. See, there's a smile. There's a smile, and look at the two eyes. Rock here fell from up here. That's all falling into. That's all eroding. So yeah, when you're down here, be careful. An old bottle up there. Old bottle up there. Oh. Little rock wall. What's this here? Shadow. How brittle it is. How brittle. Hey, look at it. Engraved shape, looks like a heart. No seaweed. So the water comes up to this part. It goes as high as up here. So look, you can imagine. The water's right here, so it's still going down. And it's coming up to this point here. That's probably 3 feet from where I'm standing. All the seaweed. A little slippery. More seaweed. Not sure what kind of seaweed that is, but at least you would know. Those prehistoric, maybe, I don't know. Looks like an eye right there. Maybe not. Still eroding. See, it's all eroding up there too. And this tree fell. I don't think I'm not going to go any further. Not with shadow anyway. Beautiful here. You can probably see there's probably 6 different species of bird that lives on top of Pokeshaw Rock. And right behind me you can see there's a hole. There's a hole right through the rock there that created itself. It's pretty cool. Yeah, alright, so it's low tide right now. Shadow and I and Angie, we're going to walk out to the rock out here. The only time you can do that is at low tide. So check Google or check the weather or the tides when the tides are low. Right now it's 2 p.m., almost 2 p.m. Atlantic time. And we're going to take a walk out and see the little birdies on top there. So let's go. Little mussels everywhere here. I think they're mussels or shells. Little shells. Woo! Look at them all. So when it's high tide, this is all underwater. If you do come, I think it's every 12 hours the tide goes out. The birds. Can't see the birds. Little hole. You see the Chaleur Bay tides coming in through the rock. Pokeshaw Rock. Right on top of where I'm standing, where there's hundreds of birds, and the Celtic Cross. There's a pigeon up there. Here, buddy. All kinds of seaweed here. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, folks. Here in Pokeshaw Rock, Pokeshaw Village, I think it is. Thanks for coming in. Don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe. Till next time.
Dust of my teeth.
Me too.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.